Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Recently, I made a video on how you could make 2020 your winning year. You could check it out on the right side corner of this video. But to make 2020 your winning year, you just can't be busy all the time. You need to be productive, right? So make sure that you stick around till the end of this video to get to know the difference between a busy person and a productive one. Now, without wasting much time, let's get started.
I never made it, but I know what it takes. I'm motivated by a mix of emotion. Got my statement.
Now, the first and the most important thing is a busy person always tends to have a long to-do list. They ensure that they have everything what they want to do on their list, but fail to ensure that they have deadlines to it. While against a productive person who will usually tend to have 4 to 6 items on his to-do list. The to-do list of the productive people are generally realistic and they know how they have to prioritize it. So if you have a long to-do list, you might want to work on it. But I know a few of you just can't avoid that long to-do list. So let me give you a quick tip on how you could handle it. Make 3 categories: to-do, doing, and completed. Your vision board or mission board is going to look something like this with 3 categories: to-do, doing, and completed. What you do next is you write down your tasks, say 1, 2, and maybe the third task, and stick it up against the to-do category. Now say you're only going to do the first and the second task today, so move the post-it of the first and second to the doing category. Now once that's done, say that you have only completed the task 1 today. So you pick up that one and put it in the completed category. Now this organizing technique will definitely give you a better idea of what you have completed, what you are still doing, and what you need to do. Coming to the second one, while required to complete a task, a busy person usually has no preparation or too much preparation. Having lack of preparation generally makes a person feel that they still need to work on it, keeping their mind always occupied and hence feeling that they have a lot on their plate. A busy person might also prepare too much and hence procrastinate, while a productive person on the other side knows how to prepare well and start working on the task. So if you're wasting too much time on preparation, then you might want to just start off with your projects. Now, a quick tip to combat this: you can definitely have a plan and a progress report to avoid delays in preparation or no preparation. Now, a busy person most often unknowingly focuses more on the weaknesses. For example, if they have a long commute to their workplace, they will tend to always crib about it, while the productive person on the other side will generally tend to think of ways how they could utilize that time. Which means the productive person generally tends to focus on the strengths that they have. They generally tend to focus more on solutions rather than the issues. Quick tip here: you need to have a growth mindset. What you could do is practice positive thinking. Start your day with a positive affirmation. You could say something like, "Yay, I'm going to have a good day today." Second, what you could do is you need to try finding humor in bad situations as well. Because you know what? It's no point in wasting the whole day just for a bad 5 minutes. Next, what you could do is you could convert your negative self talks into positive ones. Now, instead of saying something like, "I can't do it," you need to analyze and ask yourself, "Why can't I do it?" Now, the next one is really important, where a busy person generally is always glued to his desk. Due to the long to-do list that they maintain, they tend to feel that they have a lot to do and hence always glued to their desk. While a productive person on the other side knows when to take a break. They plan well and ensure that they take their breaks at regular intervals. Quick tip here: what you could do is you could have your break time scheduled for yourself. In your calendar, you need to have your break time mentioned. This will keep you energized and refreshed, giving you better ideas. Now, as I said, since a busy person generally doesn't take breaks, hence whenever they get a chance, they're easily distracted. While a productive person on the other side has already taken his breaks and knows how to systematically plan their work, family life, and other activities. Next one up is prioritizing work. If asked for a favor, a busy person would just try to squeeze out time and help others, while a productive person on the other side, since he has planned his day, knows how to prioritize those requests and, if necessary, would say a no politely. Quick tip here: you can go and check out my video on how to say no to someone politely and without feeling guilty. A busy person is usually a multitasker. I'm not saying that it is bad to multitask, but a busy person generally tends to keep most of the projects half done, while a productive person on the other side finishes one project at a time. Think of it in this way. If you're going to read 3 books or 3 articles and imagine you reading just one line at a time, you're not really going to get anything out of it. But if you're going to read one book at a time, you're definitely going to register more. In the same way, focusing on one task at a time will definitely get you more results. A busy person doesn't tend to have a purpose or a particular goal, while a productive person on the other side generally knows the end result and has visioned it and hence knows what they want to do. Quick tip here, you could have long term goals and short term goals. Now, the long term goals will keep you motivated, and the short term goal will help you focus. Because you know, a goal without a timeline is just like a dream. That's it, folks, for today. Hope you like this video. Please do share this video with someone who needs to know the difference between being productive and busy. Also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then please consider subscribing. And since you're here, please do check out the other videos on my channel. Start with the one that is flashing on your screen. Bye for now, guys. See you later.